Okay, so this is not a step. I'm applying acrylic color because see my sketchbook doesn't have that good quality pages. It is 140 GSM, so I'm applying acrylic color. You can directly go for the base tone or just whatever tone you want to go. I'm applying that because I want my sheet to live longer. Then wait for like half a day, let it dry. Then choose your specific amount of colors. I'm choosing orange, yellow, red, yellow ochre, blue and white. Then clean your tools and borrow some leaves from trees or some plants maybe. Now be ready for dirtying your hands. Okay, now take your leaves and color the backside and press them into your canvas or a sketchbook. Keep repeating the same process until and unless your sketchbook is filled with the patches or print of leaves. After doing that, take a spatula or a tool to lift the leaves off. Now cover the entire sheet or canvas with the same process. Now you have to make or mix white with every colors because now we are adding light to our. After adding white to our colors, you will get white with blue, light blue, white with orange, light orange, yellow, lemon yellow, and red. You will get pink, and with yellow ochre, you will get little bit yellowish, orangish tone maybe. Not maybe. I'm sure about that because I have did this painting and now I'm recording it. So yeah, you will get orange tone, something like that. So do not do that. Okay, that will be like similarly, that will be most similarly to orange itself. So don't do that. It's a waste of time. I was wrong choosing yellow ochre as well. No, actually I was not wrong. Actually I was right, but I just didn't know that acrylic. I was using camel. Okay, I was using camel acrylic colors, and the yellow ochre in that color tone is similarly to orange itself, so that's why. Anyways, who care? I messed up. I'm just speeding up. I'm just want to show you the good part. Maybe uh, reveal that you many people say. I just want to show you that itself. So after so much, it's time to reveal. So now it's time to reveal how it is going to end or what is going to be the outcome itself. So I'm just let me know which print you love the most. I will tell you mine, you tell me yours. So yeah, I love this one. See the colors. Maybe it's the camera was not too close, that's why you cannot see. But if you will feel the texture and all, the both leaves that I pulled right now as well, the colors came out very well. Same goes for this. It have little bit blue and bluish, blue and yellowish tones itself. So I really love that one as well. I will make a small short kind of a video in which I will just show you the texture that came out, and you will be amazed by the texture itself. So these are some flowers that were dried up. I just use them as well as for fun. But the print out, no, it was it some flowers print came out really well and some doesn't came out that well, I will say. Okay, so this one is also good. Blue, yellow, and little bit of pinkish tone in this one. It is also it's feel really good. Now feel this texture. This texture was really amazing. It came out really well. Okay, this reddish texture. The print of this was not complete. Maybe the color I applied that was less, but if you will see by close, this texture was amazing. The print that came out of that leaves was amazing. Actually, that was good. This is the last pull. I will take it close that you can feel the texture itself. Now see the texture. I love it, but I do not know about you. So please let me know how you feel the texture is, or will you love to try this? And now comes one of the toughest part of my entire drawing career. It is peeling out the tape. If someone will ask me, what is the toughest part of being a painter is, I will say it is peeling out the tape, because one wrong move, one clumsy finger move, and the entire 1.5 hour work of hard work is gone. It's like gone directly. So this is one of my hardest thing to do, to peel out the tape. I'm not for me it is, maybe for you it might be not there, but for me this is the most toughest part of the job, where I think I will live or die situation for me. But anyways, I love the drawing. I hope you feel the same thing about it. But anyways, thank you.